is meant by environmental biology? As all other branches of biology, this is also another branch of science which is concerned with the interrelationships between organisms with their corresponding environment. Or we can say that the external surroundings, which is including both the biotic as well as the abiotic factors of an organism, that affect its survival as well as the development at the nature. Or we can see that it's a study of physical, chemical and biological processes which is involved in the exchanges, interactions and interrelationships between organisms and their biotic as well as abiotic environment. From all this definition, it is clear that environmental biology is nothing but it is a interaction of a particular organism or a group of organisms in relation with its environment.
As I told you that it's an interaction between an organism or a group of organisms in relation with abiotic as well as biotic factors. So what is meant by this abiotic and biotic factors? We can see that the biotic factors of an ecosystem includes, as you can see in the picture, they includes primary producers. That means plants, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, detritivores. So those organisms which are living in nature are known as biotic factors. So what may be abiotic factors? Abiotic factors is nothing but it is the non-living component of an ecosystem, which includes sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water or moisture as well as soil. So these are the factors that affect the development or survival of an organism. The biotic factors includes all these living components, while the abiotic factors includes all the non-living components. The interaction of these two factors constitute the environmental biology, right? Then you may hear that these two terms, ecology and environmental science. Actually, these two terms are synonyms of environmental biology. The term ecology was first coincided by a German biologist who is known as Ernst Haeckel in 1866, and Ernst Haeckel is known as the father of ecology. And according to him, he says that environmental biology or ecology is a study of organisms in their natural home or their largest home. And the term ecology comes from two Greek words, oikos and logos. Oikos means the dwelling place. We can see that it's the home of an organism, and logos means study. So the dwelling place or the home study of an organism is known as ecology. And another synonym is environmental science. So environmental science, that term is put forward by Smith in 1977, and according to him, he states that environmental biology involves the exchange of energy between organisms with their corresponding environment. So these are the two different aspects which is put forward by two different scientists, but it is actually a synonym of environmental biology. And that's all about the general terminologies or the basics of ecology, and thank you.